You only penny was I saw me for all to baby air no. Not all modern talk air open.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
The last time I said Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah didn't ever trend anymore. A bra on a shampoo, a case in a sorry. That was the last time I met Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah in 2024. 2025 year me. The first time I met Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah dinner, I will obia sim. After say Evangelist Eunice, every boy Papa Adom Kyei Duah didn't can say, or ya so for mocha occultic pastors now.
Philadelphia or someone, you know, your friends say, South of Philadelphia. Man, I'm what you said, me, you're yeah. They are all occultic pastors.
There's a seminar or Kayano. Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, Abemano reply. I have Penyah blog media message. Say over subscribe button and snap click the notification icon for latest update. Abe chele wajene e dia mame e wo comment section. Entenke mission you media no so any who say lady be appear or say friend Evangelist Eunice. And say nyina ne say obebobo asofo a nyame ayi trend say omu ye occultic pastors me kira asofo a omu de bonsam to me ene ye adwuma.
Children of God, I have another message from the Lord to you. Only Alpha Awos and wine no bompire jai. He's not using the Spirit of God. Your friend is saying Pastor Elvis or something. He's not using the Spirit of God. Alpha hour. Obo Alpha hour. Jai sa only mo bompire. Assume ni high any checker. Alpha hour. The pastor. Not down. No. He's not using the Spirit of God. They are all occultic pastors. Me, I'm not scared of anybody because you cannot do anything to me. Yankopon message sir. All this small muna musro sa mobeka me Eunice meka. Me usro unto me yam she. Me found chain pepepe unto me yam she. Alpha hour. They are not using the Spirit of God. The devil too answers prayers. They are all occultic pastors. Evangelist Eunice, suffer not the Alpha hour. No. They are all occultic pastors. And then Yankopon expose mu ina because more time aso. Yankopon appa mu ina mu hontoma. Kofi Odro, Prophet Kofi Odro Sanwaino. He's also an occultic pastor. See the way he talks. They be no didi atem. Where you suffer. Duncan Williams, occultic pastor. Archbishop Duncan Williams, occultic pastor. Duncan Williams, he has a contract with the devil that he will not allow anybody from Ghana to go to heaven. Archbishop Duncan Williams, that's the contract he has with the devil. Osi onti obia, wakoji contract from Obon. Someone say onti obia mo obia free Ghana and call heaven. Duncan Williams, I am telling you today, as a true prophetess of God, say, our contracts wo boa. People from Ghana will go to heaven. Wo boa kra. Are you God? Obofo someone no. Oko na sorry, what is so preachy that? They be na oka otufo. Obofo munya, they are in the occult. Ibra one, you are in the occult. Hello, Osa wine on Ibra nya Omunyina, they are in the occult, the same occult group. They know themselves. Sakwa de numina, Shatawale numina, they are in occult. Miss Bell or occult. Otabe Muyina account, they are all occultic pastors. They are in the same group. They know themselves. More time as well. Internet Yankopon, ama me kwan se mimbubo mudino. Mensa Otabo ka ho. Dag Heward Mills ka ho. They are all in occult. They are all under they all use the power of Satan. Omuyina, they are in occult. Meba Yankopon ma me din meba bebo anaju we dey mean though me bomu yina din. All the musicians are in occult. Gospel musicians, 99.9% of them are in occult. Dinah Hamilton, no me now more occult. Don't listen to their songs. Obapa Christine mu ina ka be. Edini ba mebo minsuro untumi yemi hute as the Lord of hosts liveth. Untumi yemi sheda.
Na obobodina no kobo Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah dini.
Philadelphia someone know. Your friend say sa so for na Philadelphia. Man am boy say no me finidin. Yeah. They are all occultic pastors. I am telling you. Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, he's an occultic pastor. Why don't you use the devil? Why Adena? Won't fire upon something and ye juma, my young who said upon something now the year juma. Now the young coupon din abata home. They are all occultic pastors. They are in occult like as a Freemason and Gaza. Yangu pon mami dina meka.
Na ni di boy no. Steve Media, Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, one of the bloggers. Steve Media crab a reply Evangelist Eunice. Eke kan adwen kire no.
Won't it sound crampo new? A quiet fast or board dam. Gave we board dam for 2 years. I have everything. And I will board dam now won't talk a cry. Undo crown for me. What but now says Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, a occult. Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, occult away and say what back, no obey fear and panic every nipemuana. When you come hand and uncle for a bupon for my baby. Ah, gave you away Jimmy Pa.
What I say? Opeke kan adwen kire no. Say na wo say ne hwan. Say ukofre Papa say oyo occultic. Obi a oyo occultic and wetima yi ehu afiri amanfo because na o maaye no na asofo ne hyehye nkomhu no aso dem na o maame e bayifo na o papa na eye o eden titimonim papa mu ba abusuam. Stephen a kire say papa be yi nyina afiri ho. It how there so be ka say papa eyo occultic. Ebusuam empanifo se ka akom ya gine kokua num. Asem no as to what I say e ha papa anase an ha papa de. Any die mu Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah ebeye asore enra. Na ono so abe reply asem a Evangelist Eunice e ka kire no.
Nansaya ababa wa bi so apie so yo difo aba obubo mi din me shala mesre na so what de kekambra so woni papa woni abusia woni nteteye aya bose dine no na kekako ma chabo mesrama what you say
Abusia enya asem kuma papa nani abre wan kasa tiri ho yi bone edi asofo tro ya ye do sika bedwa nanka ojaba de kra so le ogina mu ekonkonde ne wanye ho anasem ye sofo debi ye do sika bedwa nanka edi baba se je ni abre no the one and Emma Evangelist Eunice Eunice be bia okay kako no etro ebe ya asawa tiboko but be bia ke kaba ne de eho etro Ubeto achire wajire ewo comment section. Aha Penyah blog media.